Here are some logo designs for which the designer was paid $500 each on 99designs.com. And these are the logos created using free AI tools. Is it possible to use AI to create professional logos and sell them at this price? Could this business idea become a side hustle to help you achieve your financial goals? Let's find out! Take a look at these Etsy shops that are selling logo designs. One of these shops has received 53,279 sales and earned $500,000 in revenue, while the other has made $236,691 with 36,414 sales. Stay with me here, and I'll show you how you can create professional logos using AI in just minutes and sell them as easily as brushing your teeth. There are two types of services you can offer. One is custom logo, where customers place an order with you and you design it according to their need. The other one is pre-made logo, where you create logo templates and allow customers to edit them as they desire after purchasing them from you. In this video, I will be discussing both methods. Websites like 99designs.com or Fiverr.com are popular among brands looking for customized logos. For example, this seller has 353 orders in queue and has received almost 20,000 reviews. This gives you an idea of how much money they are making. The process is straightforward. You receive orders, understand your customer's needs, and then design the logo using an AI tool according to the customer's request. You deliver the order before the deadline and receive your payment. However, some brands prefer logo templates because they are on a tight budget or don't want to spend too much time explaining everything to a logo designer. They look for a pre-made logo that satisfies their taste. Purchase it and change the brand name using free editing tools. We will discuss this method in detail shortly. This Etsy shop has been successfully selling pre-made logos. So far, they have sold 36,414 logo designs, and after analyzing their pricing, I calculated that their average selling price is $6.50. Therefore, their total revenue is $236,691. As you may have noticed, they only have 45 listings, which means you don't need to have thousands of designs to make money in this business. I am sharing these numbers to inspire you and demonstrate what is possible, but it doesn't mean you will achieve the same results overnight. You may be wondering how you can create high-quality logos when you have no experience in graphic design. This is where Midjourney comes to the rescue. With Midjourney, you can create outstanding logos within minutes just by typing some prompts. However, Midjourney is no longer free, so how can you overcome this challenge? Don't worry, I'll tell you about an alternative tool that is free and can produce similar results. Let's begin with the logo creation process. I tried many free AI image generator tools, but the best one I found was Leonardo.ai. To register, visit Leonardo.ai, enter your email, and click here. You will receive an invitation email within 24 to 48 hours. Once you receive it, sign up using the same details, and you are ready to start your logo designing business. Let's discuss how to use this tool and some secret prompts to achieve the best results. To begin, click here. Then you can start typing your prompt, such as design a logo for a professional barbershop. Feel free to modify this prompt until you get the desired results. As you can see, Leonardo has generated 4 different variations for us. I like the 4th design here. You can click this button to upscale this image, then click here to download. Right-click on it and save it to my computer. If you find that coming up with the right prompt is tedious and you're looking for pre-tested prompts, I got you covered. Just navigate back to home. Then here, search logo. You can see outstanding logos created by other users. If you click on it, you can view the corresponding prompt used to generate it. By using the same prompt, you can expect to achieve similar results. Our logo design is now ready, but upon zooming in, we can see that it appears blurry. To fix this issue, we need to convert the image into a vector format. We have access to a professional software called Adobe Illustrator. However, there is a monthly fee of $21 to use it. But don't worry, I know of a website that can do the same thing for free, without requiring any technical knowledge like Adobe Illustrator. Vectorizer.ai is the amazing website I wanted to tell you about. All you need to do is upload your logo design, click OK, and within seconds, your design is converted into a vector format. Notice the image on the right. No matter how much you zoom in, it won't be pixelated. Click the download button, and without making any changes, click download again. However, one drawback of using free tools is that they come with limitations. I suggest once you start making sales, consider investing in Adobe Illustrator. The final step is to convert this logo into a template so that your customers can edit it according to their needs. To do this, we will use a free tool called Canva.com. First, click on Create a Design and select Logo. Then, upload the vector file that we converted in the previous step here into the design interface. Once it's open, you can adjust the logo size, text, font, and colors as you see fit. Your customers can click on the Share button to download the logo as a PNG. If they need a transparent background, they can do so by upgrading to Canva Pro. Make sure to inform your customers that downloading a transparent background logo requires a Pro subscription. Your logo template is now completed. To share it with your Etsy customers, click Share, then click More, and then click on the Template Link option. Whenever you receive an order, simply share this link with your customers. They can customize the logo as they want and download it for use anywhere they like. If you want to learn how to create an Etsy shop and start selling your logo designs, click here. I'll see you there. Thank you for watching.